I just hit my activity goal.
That's funny.
Our house isn't that big.
No. Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
So what are we doing today? She's excited.
I'm so excited. So we are making a mushroom Israeli couscous soup that I came across it on Instagram on Must Love Garlic.
Must Love Garlic.
Thank you.
Yep.
And it was not plant-based, but I'm like,
but we
can make it plant-based. So that is a superpower of ours, is to take regular recipes and convert them and make them plant-based. So we're going to do that today. And it was, oh my gosh. So this will be the second time we've had it. The first time, so we made a couple little tweaks.
Yeah.
And
it's yummy.
So
it's really, really yummy.
good.
So keep watching.
So good.
And really, I mean, everybody's talking about these one-pot dishes. This is in one pot. You're done probably 30 to 40 minutes, and you are ready to chow.
One pot in 16 bowls.
Okay.
Because that's how Chef John prepares things.
Whatever.
It's true.
Yeah, but
It's
you like
true.
what I make.
2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
there's
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. One pot. You are outed.
I'm spitting in your soup.
All
All right, let's make some soup.
It's going to be good.
And it will be good.
So we've got our pan heating up over a medium-high heat. We're just going to add a little bit of vegan butter and olive oil. And once that's melted and ready to go, we're going to throw in our white onion, our garlic, and mushrooms. We're just going to give that a quick stir, and then I'm going to throw a lid on it just to sweat the mushrooms out a little bit so they'll release some of their liquid. So our mushrooms have sweated out, so we're just going to start adding in our other ingredients for this delicious soup. We're going to add in all of our veggie broth, followed by our pearl couscous. Then we're going to dump in our white wine, our vegan Worcestershire, all of our seasonings, and then finally the Dijon mustard. We're going to give that a good stir, get it up to a boil, lower the heat and cover it. And then you're going to want to cook it for about 10 minutes, stirring it every so often. Once that 10 minutes is up, we're going to add in our fresh herbs, get that stirred up one more time, and then cook it for another 10 minutes on low. Our soup is just about done. We just have to add in our cashew cream along with the vegan cream cheese that I decided to hurl into the soup, followed up by our awkwardly placed spinach that I put into the soup. We're going to stir that up, keep it on low, cover it up, and let it cook for another just couple few minutes to wilt the spinach a little bit, and it is ready.
Looks really yummy.
It does. This looks really, really tasty.
Yeah.
Super. It looks super.
It's super soup. So you put a little, we should have, now it's a little melty.
That's
We put
all
a
right.
little vegan sour cream
sour
on the
cream.
top, and it's...
But then we also had there, as you saw, we put in the cashew cream and the vegan cream cheese, and it's
The dill. Oh, see, I'm the one that thought we need napkins.
I have it all over my hands.
Yeah, the dill, fresh dill is very forward.
Do you like it?
I do like it.
Yeah.
It's
like a fancy cream of mushroom. Campbell's, look out, we're coming for you.
So I love texture. I have a texture thing. I don't like just plain tomato soup unless I can have the grilled cheese with it, which is pretty much a perfect combination. But anyway, this has the texture of like the creamy broth,
You just keep talking.
the mushrooms, the larger Israeli couscous are bigger than other couscous. And I really like them. I have discovered through this recipe, they're my favorite.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's the variety of texture and sizes, and you can use different mushrooms. We used
We just use creminis.
The
inexpensive. But the last time that we made
used some oyster. We kind of did half a pound of each of oyster and cremini. And I like that you're eating wilted spinach because he has a thing about wilted greens, but you put them in at the very last minute, so then they're just fresh and bright and full of nutrients. So
it's really, this is, it's a super easy, I said super again. It's just an incredibly easy recipe that
doesn't need to use 14 bowls if you choose not to do it that way.
You have to get all of your ingredients set aside. You don't just...
Yeah.
What do you... Am I just going to have the mushrooms?
You just measure
Am I
and
going
put
to have
them
the
in as
mushrooms?
you cook.
Says the lady that doesn't cook.
I do cook. I do cook. I do cook. We're doing cookies or something next, and I'm going to make it. I'm going to make sourdough. I'll show everybody how to make sourdough. And
Fight.
yeah, I do cook. Do not listen to him. He is full of shit. Sorry.
Wow. Drop the S word. Holy cow. I don't know if I might talk to the editors and have them not bleep that out.
No, I don't want to get like banned.
Kind of salty trucker lady. Wow.
Salty trucker lady.
Kind of attracted to you right now.
Oh my gosh. Okay. It's probably time to sign off. Thank you for watching.
This is a great recipe. You got to make it.
Yes, whether you make it the original way or veganized,
Yeah.
it's so good. So good.
Yeah.
So be kind
Eat pizza.
with plants.
And mushroom soup.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And mushroom soup.
See ya.